Hello, my fellow countrymen. Good day. Yes, the issue of Trump invading Nigeria, is it a thing of celebration or a thing of sadness? I'm asking my fellow countrymen. Because for me, as a person, I'm dancing already. I am happy. You know why? I've seen a lot of arguments where most people are saying that Nigeria is a sovereign country. Trump does not have a right to come and attack Nigeria. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If Nigeria is a sovereign country, how come Nigeria is being ruled as if there is another country outside Nigeria? We have in the southeast where the terrorists are operating freely, killing people at will, kidnapping people, burning houses, setting people ablaze while asleep, taking over people's farmland. Look at Zamfara. Our natural resources there, the gold found there, is government in control of that gold? It is in the hands of the terrorists. Look at the genocide going on there. Tell me, look at even Kwara State recently. Tell me what our government has done to call the attention of these operators, evil operators. What have they done? They turn their eyes the other way, as if they are not aware of the killings and the evil activities going on in these areas I've just mentioned. To me, it's like Nigeria has a two sections of sovereignty, one for the normal people, one for the terrorists. Imagine a country you call a sovereign country. Wanted terrorists are given opportunity for a peace talk. Where is it done in the entire world? Let's get something clear here. Most people are misunderstanding the intended invasion of US in Nigeria as a religious thing. No, let's get the record straight. Even the terrorists, they keep even the Muslim and the Christian. It's not only the Christian they kill. Muslims are equally involved. The heinous crime they are committing there. They kill them. They don't care their religion. So why are we now like tagging it as a Christian reason why Trump is coming? No, that's not true. All I know is that maybe there's a petition to US that got the attention. If the Muslims have done the same thing, they will equally get equal attention. So, but now that they have come to eliminate all these miscreants, giving Nigerians pain, turning our economy upside down, people should be happy for the purpose of which they are coming. Tell me any investment that has succeeded in the Northeast since 2009. Is it when Jonathan was even there? Tell me any investor, any foreign investor that has come to Northeast for any kind of investment. Even in Nigeria as a whole, they are kind of skeptical coming into Nigeria because they are not sure. A country where evil activities, killings are going on, and the government look helpless. A government where miscreants are captured and they are conscripted into the army. Just recently, a news leaked out that National Assembly was about to be bombed. Everybody start panicking. They start thinking how to get a special squad that will man National Assembly. I did a video to that effect. So if a government that is superior, that knows how to handle people of this nature, decide to come and erase them away so that Nigeria can be peaceful again, Nigeria can be developed and move on with their individual life, is it not better for this country? Let me ask us a question. Why is Chad, as soon as they got information that US government is coming to attack the Boko Haram, the terrorists, their border was closed. Their border with Nigeria was closed to avoid them infiltrating into their own side because they know if they come, then they will give them headache. So they have already locked up their border so that if the American army is coming, they will come and eradicate. Let every territory, every region that is connected to Nigeria have fresh air to breathe. Let me tell us something. Anybody you see right now reacting that Trump shouldn't come, suspect them to be one of those sponsors. Because anybody that is not in support of the killings happenings in Nigeria all this while, we've been crying on the social media. The government have not done anything meaningful. But when it comes to ordinary man protesting on the street, you see army, you see police everywhere trying to stop them. But where they will go to do their work, they turn their face the other way. Since they could not do it, let a stronger soldier, let a stronger country that can help us come in and do the needful so that Nigeria can be peaceful again. Whoever, I've heard a lot of them, the likes of Sheikh Gumi, Aseri Dokubo, you are talking of Fani Kayode, the former aviation minister, and host of them, Soludo, all those people talking now that what Trump is doing is negative. I'm even surprised that somebody like Paula Defarasi, a pastor, is even speaking against Trump coming to Nigeria to help Nigerians. All these people that are complaining or reacting, Nigerians should look at them twice. We may be talking of the sponsor, we don't know who they are. But if you see such a reaction coming up now, please look at those personalities twice. Were they not there when these killings were going on? So is it today that the killings started in Nigeria? What were they saying? What was their own comment? What was their own stake when all these killings were going on? Look at the hypocrisy of our pastors. The Redeemed Pastor, the Winners Chapel, Christ Embassy, you talk of Deeper Life, you talk of Tunde Bakare, Latter Rain, you talk of the man in Port Harcourt, all those ones that are fighting over tithe. Did you ever hear any of them talk about fellow Christians being killed in the Northeast? They are not interested. My appeal to Trump is this. In as much as it's coming to help us eradicate these insurgencies in Nigeria, let it not limit it in the Southeast alone. It should be holistically across the states of Nigeria. And everybody, whoever, through their satellite or through their information, intelligence, they discover is a sponsor to this heinous crime going on in Nigeria, they can as well pick them up, let them face justice. Because news have been going around that there are a lot of sponsors in the government sponsoring these activities. We have sponsors in the government. There was a time in Dubai, they gave list of people involved. What did they do with that list today? So if Trump is coming to do what he wants to do to liberate Nigeria from unnecessary killing, shedding of innocent blood, they could as well go further by picking one by one those that are sponsoring these ugly activities in Nigeria. They shouldn't be left alone. They should pick all of them, regardless of their position in Nigeria. They should pick them away. Let Nigeria breathe fresh air. Let us at least have that Nigeria that we used to know when we were growing up. There was no killing. You can go to farm, you don't finish your work, you sleep in the farm early in the morning. When you finish, you decide to come back. You can't even go to your farm alone. You can't even sleep in the night if you could not finish the work you're doing on your farm. You can't walk freely. You can't travel on the road. Everywhere just danger. And we have a government. Finally, I'm of the opinion that Trump should find a way to partner with the military, to partner with the new service chief, partner with them in a way that they will work along with the people coming to do this job for Nigeria so that peace can reign in Nigeria once again. All these criminals, some of them making noise today, you cannot even hear them talk again. Everywhere is quiet because they know if they talk, their property, the money they have stolen and invested overseas will go forever. So they are being cautious. They don't want to speak out because when they speak out, what they have out there is gone forever. So all of them are maintaining. And finally, again, if the government of US really want to do a thorough job for Nigeria, all these people laundering money into their country, they should please confiscate those accounts to teach them lesson. So whoever is telling us that Trump is not coming with with a free mind, he wants to use this strategy of invading the insurgents, the terrorists, thereby coming in to take over the oil. Who are the people even controlling this oil? Are they not the Fulanis? Are they not the people in government? Who are the people owning the oil block? We are talking as if Nigerians are the one having this oil we are talking about. Are we really? It's in the hands of few. Look at what is happening in the petroleum industry today. A country producing crude, having natural gas, look at how much their citizens are paying to buy fuel at the filling station. And you think Nigerians are happy. So God has answered the prayer of Nigerians. Let the lion that can roar on the land of Nigeria come in and sanitize every situation that have been very, very abnormal in the past years. God bless Nigeria. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and to like. Thank you very much. And I don't know how long the Igbos are going to be chased up and down wherever they are found. I'm already talking of 2027. Nobody's looking at the happenings around the world. Where is questionable? The chiefs, in terms of giving title, should decline, no matter how much they offer them. The criminals are taking